Hey everyone, hash your from hashtag and welcome back to my channel. Sony's next flagship and mid-range launch date has been confirmed, which will be official on February 24th at Mobile World Congress 2020 in Barcelona. Sony Xperia 5 Plus headset will adopt a punch-hole camera which we have seen on the Galaxy Note 10 series, but this render shows thinner bezel than last year's Sony Xperia 5. Also used the same 6.6-inch OLED display with a dual front-facing speakers, which also includes a 21:9 aspect ratio. The phone will use glossy build complete with a metallic frame which we have seen on the Xperia 5, also powered by Snapdragon 865 chipset, which also includes an old-fashioned 3.5mm headphone jack. That's going to be a piece of good news and will be welcomed by the lots of users. Also, new flagship will act as a XL or Plus variant of the last year's Xperia 5. The main highlights of this render are triple rear camera setup that will most likely consist of the regular RGB sensor, a wide-angle camera and a telephoto or macro lens. On the front, the phone is tipped to spot a 8-megapixel selfie snapper. That's all for today guys, so let me know your thoughts on the Sony Xperia in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the smartphones, and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. I'm Ashkar from hashtag.